In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot power apps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are encountering any challenge with your power apps, maybe your app is too slow, it does not open, it keeps crashing, or some features are not working, then just follow these steps to fix this. In the first method, you need to go to settings and access the app info page to troubleshoot it. From settings, scroll down to apps, and under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for power apps like that, and if you tap on it, you can see we are on the app info page. Here, go to for stop app and okay, and then go to clear data and clear cache, okay, and finally clear all data. Then restart your smartphone, and now if you open your power apps, everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if this didn't fix your problem, then check and then see if you have any VPN on your smartphone, turn it off or uninstall the app, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. Then you want to go to Google Play Store and search for your app like that, and if I run the search, now here check and see if we have any update your app to the latest version. But even after updating, if your app keeps crashing, then most likely your power apps app has bugs. For that, you need to uninstall the app and install it afresh to clear bugs from this app. So let me know which of the above was able to help you. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.